I was at a conference this summer sitting on a panel, and this woman was super well-intentioned. I know her heart was in the right place, and happened to be a white woman. Extolled the sins of white supremacy and this curriculum here in Colorado. Then in the next breath went on to explain, and I'm not paraphrasing, her school of mostly black and brown kids and poor white kids. We have trash data at our school, but our kids are more than data. And in essence, what I interpreted from that was white supremacy has caused our kids to not be able to learn, and thus we have toilet data. I don't know if I'm going to be invited back to that conference. I tried as tactfully as possible to explain that while I know nothing about what's going on in Colorado, I do not deny the existence of racism and prejudice, but you cannot use your kids as the data to support your cause. Because what I explained to her nicely was, listen, I get what you're saying. I understand what you're saying in spirit. But when those kids leave your care and they move on to the next level, people aren't gonna look and say, oh no, these are the kids who were under the negativity of white supremacy there in Colorado. No, they're gonna be looked at kids who failed. While we get to go on and apply for new jobs and advance our careers and stuff like that. So we gotta walk that line somehow.